Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple professional letterhead in MS Word. Let us open Microsoft Office Word. Here you have to choose blank document. Okay. Then in your MS Word, click on Insert. Then choose the shape. Then select rectangle shape. Then and draw and drag to the edge. Now right click on rectangle, then choose edit point, then click on this dot, then click on this, adjust the rectangle, you see, like this. Then you are going to change the color. Still we are here in format. Then choose, click on shape fill, then choose any color you want. Let me use this one. Okay, like this. Then you are going to make a duplicate of this rectangle. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. You see, it is duplicated. Then you can push this. Okay, then you can change the color. Put any color you want. Let me choose this. Then you are going to send back this rectangle like this. Then you are going to, you see, like this. I'm using direction key like this. Then here you can put logo, your logo like this. This is a logo. Then right click, add text. This is a logo. Let me adjust. Like this. Then after, we are going to duplicate this rectangle, then press Ctrl D like this. Then you can make another duplicate of this rectangle. Then you can change its color. You see? But here you can remove the shape outline by choosing no color, no outline, like this. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share and comment for more information to this channel.